I just got my hands on the latest item from Dior, and it's a bag and some other things, but the bag is like the main event here. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux, where I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay, but for today's video, I am sharing what I just got from Dior. All right, so it's the summertime, and around spring, summer season, Dior, you know, is always dropping new items, of course, but then like they have a special collection that they always drop around that spring, summer season. That's part of their Dioriviera collection, and I picked up a bag from that collection. And when I tell you, I was blown away. Before we get into it, you know I have to ask, go ahead and please thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and then hit the notification bell so you can stay informed when I drop a new video, because I drop a video every week. Okay, now let's get into today's unboxing. So I picked up a bag. Again, this is part of their new like Dioriviera. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, I do apologize, forgive me. So every year they introduce a new color, some new items, and they have like a classic standard print part of this collection, as well as sometimes they'll introduce a new print. The bag that I got, I cannot wait to show you. Let's just get into the details of the bag. I'll show you what it looks like, what I got. I'll try it on the way I wear it, because although all these bags I get normally comes with a strap, I don't wear my bags with a strap, not all the time. I usually wear it top handle. So for this bag in particular, I definitely will wear it top handle. I don't plan on using the strap, but I'll still show you the strap. I'm just not gonna do a mod shot of the strap on. But yeah, let me show you exactly what I got. I'm gonna open this up, do an unboxing for you guys, because I cannot wait to rock this, to wear this. This is so beautiful. Yeah, and you know, maybe you can kind of guess not what's in the bag, I don't do that, but like maybe what color I got. Especially since I've said the color so much on my channel. I feel like by now, if you already have watched my videos a few times, you're like, I know exactly what color it is, or it has to have this color incorporated in it, because it does. It does. All right. Okay, so let's unbox it. I'm gonna open it up. Ooh. And they always do such a great job packaging your items. I love Dior for that. Okay. Now, the funny thing is, I do have to tell you, it is a Lady Dior, but I didn't get that bag that says Lady Dior on it. So I don't know, they do it sometimes, all the time, who knows, but it is a Lady Dior bag, a mini Lady Dior bag. Let me take it out of the box. So at the top here is the strap that I'll be showing you a little bit later, but let's just get to the good stuff first. Ooh, before I start, I'm gonna put on my gloves, because you know I got these unboxing gloves. I don't know, I just want to be fancy. So if you see me putting on gloves, sometimes it's to protect the bag, but sometimes I just like to put it on because it just adds, it's just a little zhuzh, a little extraness, and that's me sometimes, you know? I literally love these gloves just because it has a little bow detail. I just feel like so fancy in them. Okay, so now that I have my unboxing gloves on and just a little extra, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bag. And you can kind of like see it peeking through. Maybe not, maybe you can. Okay. It is the Lady Dior mini picnic bag. Is that what it's called? Or did I just make that up? Oh, no, it's called the Lady Dior mini wicker bag. Wicker, picnic, you know. I love this bag. Okay, let's take off this little thing that protects the charms. There's the charms. Again, it's put in like, it's wrapped in plastic. The hardware is in champagne gold, which is like a lot of Dior's bags. Champagne gold will kind of like pair well if you wear something silver, something gold. I do like that part of it. Again, they really released like this picnic wicker style bag around like spring, summer. It's like just the perfect time to release a bag like this. And I know you've seen other brands release their own wicker bags, raffia bags, picnic style bags, but yes, as a fan of Dior myself, when I saw this, and I saw this in the color pink, now it's actually called candy pink, I was like, I have to have it. I have to have that bag. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I have to have this bag. So let's take off this little ribbon too. All right, so yes, the handles are candy pink. The bag is in candy pink. I know they have this in like a nice coral color as well. I wanna say even the aquamarine, because the colors that they released so far is like a pink, an aquamarine, a coral color, a yellow, because you know Dior does release like items in like drops, so like they'll do like one part of the collection which will be like some of the colors in like 1 month, and then like a few months later or a month later they'll do another drop. So like this was not part of the drop when they first released their Dioriviera collection. It was just like the aquamarine and coral, and I saw those bags, I'm like and the coral I thought maybe, you know, 'cause I saw the wicker bag and I was just like, I'm just not feeling that coral. But when they dropped the pink, I was like, yeah, that pink, I'm feeling the pink. So I had to get it in pink. And then you can kind of see here, here's the print that I'm like talking about. You can kind of see it, but it's the print of like, I'm gonna try to show it up close. So this is like a print where it has like a tiger, or I'm not sure if it's a tiger or what it is, a lion, I'm not sure, but it's like wrestling a snake and like has it by like, not by his throat, but like it's like sinking his teeth into it. I really should know what it is. Okay, so yeah, there's a lion like fighting with a snake, like a big, huge snake. Part of their Riviera collection where they do this print, but they also have a print this season that has like the sun. Let me show you what's inside the bag. Again, this is a mini Lady Dior, same size, same dimension. Only thing different is that you get like a drawstring, so you can kind of like cinch your bag in, just because you don't get that flap that usually that they have in the Lady Dior, a little flap to cover it. So you have to cinch it, which is, you know, pretty cute. I guess it's just a way to incorporate this print so you do know like it's part of that summer collection. So it has a drawstring, and then what I was taking out was like your authenticity card, which you always get in there, and like instructions on how to care for it. And then inside, which is gonna be hard to show, but inside, so inside here, there is like a front pocket. You really can't see it because it's so hard to like show it on camera, but there is a pocket in here that you can kind of like, you know, if you had maybe some cards or something, you can put it in there, but that's what's inside. And again, it's a small bag. It is their mini Lady Dior, and I don't carry much, so that's why I love it. Now, I can kind of show you what goes in the bag, or at least what I take when I'm, you know, using my mini small bag. So I did bring everything here, so you can see what fits inside. I always bring my little wallet. This just holds ID, form of payment, maybe cash. So that goes in here. And then because this is a wicker bag, I do like to carry my bag carrier, so I don't have to like put it on a surface that's not all that great. This is my carry bag holder that I have. So yeah, I always like to keep that with me. So this will go in my bag. All right. And you know I love to smell good at all times, so I always, you know, just in case, because now my fragrance does last, but just in case I want to just do a little refresh, make it a little bit more noticeable that I have this fragrance on, in case you just, you know, it's a faint smell or whatever, just whatever the case. I like to always carry a sample of one of my favorite perfumes, so a sample will go in my bag. And then you know I love a good lip gloss. So Fenty, one of my favorites. Fenty and now like Huda Beauty, because their new like lip gloss that she released. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have it on right now. But yeah, this will go in my bag. So the lip gloss is in there. And the other thing I like to carry, of course, my keys. So the keys go in here. And what else? Oh, of course, how could I forget? My phone. My phone goes in my bag. So this does fit your phone. I usually put my phone in first sometimes, and then my keys. So I have my wallet in here, lip gloss in here, perfume sample in here, phone in here, keys in here. That's pretty much all that I carry in my mini bags. So let's go ahead and cinch it. See? There we go. It all fits in here. I love that. I love that. Let me take off this tag that's on here. There we go. There we go. All right. And although, again, like I said, I'm not going to be using this bag with a strap, but it does come with a strap. So let me show you what the strap looks like. Now, I did have an idea for the strap. I thought about using the strap as a belt. Just because it's like that guitar strap type of strap. Take it out of here. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. This is the strap that goes with this bag. It's like that guitar strap that you see with, I know sometimes the older saddle bags, and then also I've seen them, of course, with the wicker bags. But yeah, so I saw a girl, again, this was years ago, where she converted this into a belt, and I'm like, that's a good idea. So I might, if I can figure it out, convert this into a belt, especially because I'm not gonna use it as a cross body strap. Again, I like to carry my bags top handle like this. And then let me show you the other side because it's like reverse. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Put that closer because it's that beautiful candy pink where it says Christian Dior. I love it. For a girl who loves pink, this is everything. And I love the color of like the hardware, the leather. Now they do have an all pink mini lady Dior bag in the same color. I love it. I love this strap. I love it more as a belt. I just gotta figure out how that works. And just in case I didn't show you what the strap looks like kind of up close. Isn't that cute? Okay. In case I didn't show this one up close, so you can see front kind of matched the bag strap. So yeah, that is a close-up of the bag. Again, the color is a candy pink. That's what they call it at Dior. And then I'll just kind of show you what it looks like when I'm, you know, wearing it on the crook of my arm. This is me with the bag. This is how I will be carrying it. So I think it's perfect. Fits comfortably on the crook of my arm. And then you do have the option of using the strap, and it is adjustable. So if you need it, you know, have it on your arm like that, you would hook it to the front ring and then one to the back ring. And I just feel like this, it's a little too much for me, you know? This is not me. That is not me. But this, holding the top handle, it's more my style. I like that. So one more thing that I want to show you that I got, and I got it specifically for this bag, was a twilly. So I got the twilly in candy pink. So I actually wanted to like put a little cute bow in the front. It'll take me time to like tie it because I would just, you know, do it on camera and show you exactly what I'm talking about. I wanted to put this twilly or mitza, I keep saying twilly, that's Hermes. For Dior, it's called a mitza. So put the mitza on the front of the bag, but I wanted to put like a little cute bow style and then kind of hang right there. So yeah, I thought that would be really cute. And also, I really love this. I might get another one because I was like, I like to use them for my hair as well, or, you know, use it around my neck. So here is the Mitza, so you can see what it looks like. I can do it right side up. This is one side of the print. Again, this is in the candy pink. So you can see that. And the other side is that classic Dior Riviera print. It's that tiger or lion fighting with that snake. I don't know if you can see that there. But yeah, that's on there. And then like the tip says Dior. So if you can see that, Christian Dior. All right, that is the end of today's video. I just really wanted to show you this beautiful wicker picnic basket style type of Lady Dior bag in pink. Oh, I cannot wait to put my Mitza on it just to add a little bow, make it a little bit more whimsy. I will leave all the details about the bag, the name of the color down in the description box. So if you're wondering, you know, the price, the name of it, the color that I have, it will be all down below in the description box. Well, that is all that I have for you today. Go ahead and like this video, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you know when I drop my next video. And until then, thank you for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.